Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best wax container is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any concentrate enthusiast, providing crucial protection and preservation for your valuable extracts, ensuring they remain fresh, potent, and free from contaminants, making a significant difference in your overall experience and the longevity of your product. Number 5. Houseables 3-gram Mini Sample Jars. Crafted from high-grade acrylic, these containers resist breaking and warping. Their inner liners ensure a tight, leak-proof seal for all your precious contents. Perfect for makeup, lotions, balms, and creams, they keep your beauty aid secure. From eyeshadows to acrylic powder, these tiny jars handle it all. But their utility doesn't stop there. Use them for loose leaf teas, spices, herbs, or even small jewelry. They are incredibly versatile for various needs. Available in bulk, they are ideal for customer samples or selling your own DIY creations. Keep small treasures organized at home, in the office, or for classroom projects. Their compact size allows them to fit seamlessly into any bag or pocket. They are especially valuable for air travel, complying with carry-on liquid restrictions. Made from premium acrylic, these mini containers are designed for repeated use. Simply wash them with warm, soapy water for a clean and bacteria-free experience every time. What we like. These containers are made from high-grade acrylic with a tight, leak-proof seal, ensuring your contents stay secure. If you need a large quantity for samples, DIY products, or organizing small items, these are perfect. Their compact size also makes them ideal for travel, fitting easily into any bag without restrictions. What people say. Number 4. Tress Wellness Wax Warmer Silicone Liner Kit, Purple. Say goodbye to sticky wax residue and tedious scraping. Simply let the wax harden in this pot, then bend the silicone to easily pop out the solid disc. It makes cleanup a breeze for your next waxing session. This comprehensive kit provides a flexible silicone melting bowl, along with large and small silicone application spatulas. All components are crafted from soft, heat-resistant, high-grade silicone for durability and comfort. Stop wasting valuable wax by throwing it away. This innovative liner and spatulas allow you to effortlessly remove and store any unused wax. You can then save it for future use, making your waxing routine more economical. It boasts 2 convenient finger loops for safe handling when hot, plus interior measuring lines for precision. A functional scraper helps remove excess wax from your spatula, and an anti-mess rim catches any drips. While custom designed for the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer, this silicone heating bowl is highly versatile. It's engineered to fit perfectly inside most other wax warmers available on the market. What we like. This silicone liner revolutionizes your waxing routine with its super easy cleaning process. If you're tired of scraping sticky wax or want to save money by reusing unused wax, this is your solution. It fits most wax warmers and comes with spatulas, making your waxing sessions much more efficient and mess-free. What people say. Number 3. XIFEI Portable Stainless Steel Silicone Container Jars. Discover the ultimate in storage with these high-quality, environmental silicone jars. They are crafted from 100% food-grade, non-stick silicone, ensuring your items are safe and secure. These containers are engineered for extreme durability, resisting heat up to 450 degrees. You can trust them to withstand heat, freezer conditions, and accidental drops without shattering. Experience the smart design of these colorful, bounceable containers. They are easy to squeeze open and pinch closed, with lids designed to stay on tight, keeping content secure. Each set includes an external stainless steel tin box for superior protection and easy portability. This case is also removable for cleaning, making them perfect for on-the-go use. These versatile silicone containers are ideal for a wide range of uses. Store anything from skin care cream and oils to lip balm, spices, and more with complete confidence. They come with extra stainless steel spoons and even a waterproof tattoo sticker for personalization. Plus, dedicated customer support is always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This unique container features a food-grade silicone jar encased in a protective stainless steel tin box, offering superior durability. If you need a robust and secure way to carry your concentrates on the go, this portable option is excellent. Its dual-layer design ensures contents are safe from impact and temperature changes, making it perfect for active users. What people say. Number 2. Pearwell 3 ml silicone concentrate jars. Discover the perfect solution for your concentrates. These versatile containers are designed for convenience and durability. Crafted from high-grade, BPA-free silicone, they offer a non-stick surface. You can trust their safety and reliability for all your storage needs. These jars can handle extreme temperatures, from -40°C up to 250°C. This makes them incredibly versatile for various applications. Cleaning them is a breeze, simply use soap and water. They are also freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Each pack includes 15 vibrant, assorted containers. Their compact 3 ml size is ideal for discreet and efficient storage. What we like. These come in a convenient 15-pack, offering ample storage with a 3 ml capacity per container. If you need multiple small, non-stick jars for various concentrates or small items, this set is ideal. They are incredibly easy to clean, being dishwasher safe, and can withstand extreme temperatures, making them highly versatile for different uses. What people say. Number 1. Pearwell 2 ml silicone wax containers. These are the Pearwell 2 ml silicone wax containers. They are perfect for storing concentrates, sealed oils, and more, keeping your items secure. Each package includes 20 pieces of these handy 2 ml containers. They come in a variety of assorted colors, making organization simple and fun. Measuring just 0.87 inches in diameter and 0.67 inches in height, they are incredibly compact. Each container weighs only 0.158 ounces, making them easy to carry anywhere. Crafted from premium, BPA-free silicone, they are completely non-stick. These containers can withstand extreme temperatures, from -40°C up to 250°C, ensuring your contents stay safe. Cleaning them is a breeze, simply use soap and water. They are also freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, offering ultimate convenience for your daily needs. Designed with a classic round shape, they are easy to handle and store. This familiar form factor fits perfectly into any storage solution. What we like. This generous 20-pack provides the most containers in a smaller 2 ml size, perfect for microdosing or organizing many tiny samples. If you require a large quantity of non-stick, easy-to-clean silicone jars for very small amounts of product, this set offers excellent value. Their robust temperature resistance and simple cleaning make them a practical choice for everyday use. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.